think we were all hoping 2021 was going to be a better year in more ways than one. Despite the obvious challenges and Night Fright still not quite being ready to take to the skies, it's been another busy year for the Night Fright team. Whilst in and out of the various lockdowns, the team in Hangar 6 at Coventry have been busy working away overhauling the wings. With that familiar feeling of what we thought was going to be a quick and easy job, it didn't quite turn out to be the case. The underside of both wings were completely de-skinned and extensive repairs carried out. Spar splices, rib repairs, new stringers, attachment cleats, attach angle replacements and extensive wingtip repairs, to name but a few of the jobs carried out by the team. Away from the hangar, we attended our first airshow as the Night Fright team at Abingdon. Even though, of course, we didn't have Night Fright, we still had Neil's, Willie's Jeep, our C-47 cockpit section, Joe's incredible VR display, and of course, Bob the paratrooper. A huge thanks to Neil, Joe, Mark, Triss and Steve in particular for making it such a huge success for our first outing. We've also had some fantastic collaborations over the past 12 months, from Aviation Heritage Spirits with their range of Night Fright labels, to the Warbird Coffee Company with their Night Fright coffee, the exact same blend of coffee that would have been drunk on Membury Airfield during the Second World War. And of course, there was the limited edition watch that we developed in collaboration with RSC Pilots Watches. And who can forget the event that we held at Ramsbury Brewery to celebrate the launch of our 506 beer, a drop of history. When Neil put out a request on Facebook for someone to build a 1/48 scale model of Night Fright, Rich Spreckley came to the rescue. The result was incredible. Thank you so much, Rich. We're really grateful to be part of the D-Day Squadron, part of the DC3 Society. It's wonderful to bring like-minded people together, and we've enjoyed taking part in various podcasts with the Society. We're also grateful for the continued interest and support of our project. We've had some amazing coverage in publications such as Warbird Digest, Fly Past and Aeroplane magazines. 2022 is going to be exciting. We will be prioritising getting Night Fright into the air as soon as possible, more to follow in January. Building will start on the museum at Membury as well, a hugely exciting time for everyone involved with the project. The build time is estimated between 9 and 12 months. We have a team in place to start the process of designing and curating the museum, and we'll be able to share more details very shortly. I would like to thank everyone involved with the project, whether they are involved full-time or volunteer their time and services. Particular thanks, of course, go to Neil, Joe and Mark. Without them, this simply wouldn't be possible. The entire Night Fright team would like to wish your families a very happy and successful new year. Preserve, honour, educate.